Okay, so on the Elgrand E51 Series 3, the ones we don't have the upper TV screen, there is no auxiliary exit for it near to the side here, to the panel side. And what I've done was I purchased a adapter from Amazon Japan, so I can connect, making from the RCA to jack, so you can listen music or radio or something else, whatever you want to do. But on the TV tunnel at the rear, the slot is occupied by a 2-pin plug. So basically this plug sits connected here, but the next plug you're going to connect this adapter. So basically this adapter will be here on this one. So now I have selected auxiliary at the front of the car, so I'm going to connect this adapter just like that. Okay, and now this one I'm going to connect to the adapter I purchased from internet. You can buy it from anywhere. So there's white and red, so the camera gone a bit. Yep. So now I have a phone with the jack, just a temporary tester, and so the volume is on maximum. Let me see if it works. Now, yeah, this selected aux there, value from the TV here. Now you have aux. So the only thing left to just wire the jack somewhere around here, so you're gonna have access to it. But yeah, this is how you get the aux output on the Series 3.